Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable force RTL layout direction on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up and go down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Next, swipe up to go down, and in here go to the drawing section and tap on force RTL layout direction. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once you turn on, you can see the layout will be reversed on from left to right, right to left. And if you switch it off, it will go back to a normal layout. It's a force screen layout direction to right to left for all locales, and if you turn it off, you go back to normal. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.